music is so influential and powerful. Isa sa pang-spoil, pang-sira sa mga kabataan ngayon at sa mga tao ay ang music. Our mind are being invaded by Satan through music. Kaya dapat ma-identify pa rin yung sinasabing totoong gospel song.
Music is a full-time ministry. Huwag niyong iiwanan ang posisyon na kung saan ka ilagay. You are set to be there, then forsake not your position. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag niyong iiwanan yan.
God does not give us the faith to do something. We do something and God give us the faith to continue doing that something.
Kapatid, kapag ka ikaw po ay pumupunta at sumasamba, tumutugtog, umaawit, may kapatiran na nabibless sa'yo at napapalakas. Nawa yung buhay po natin ay maging dahilan, maging pagpapala ang buhay po natin sa iba.
Pag nasa ministry ka na, love your ministry. Nandyan ka dapat sa panahon na kailangan ka at panahon na dapat nandyan ka. Ang music ministry, hindi yan nagbabago. Noon pa man hanggang ngayon. Yan ay para sa Panginoon.
We have gathered so much for our life, talents, gift, profession, even wealth. But the measure is not how much you have gathered. The question is not what you have learned. The question is not what amazed us. Rather, what is becoming of us.